Good morning, children. We are going to start our work in our grammar textbook. We had done in previous session what are common and what are proper nouns. So we will do our textbook exercise today from today. So dear children, please open page number 13. What the exercise? What is the chapter name? Common and proper noun. What is the name of the chapter? Common and proper noun. What is the exercise? We'll read now. Let's do. What do you see in the picture below? What do we see in the picture below? There is a picture of a building and that building name is given what? Townsend Library. We see a duck floating in a near pond of water. So the duck name is what? I am Donny. And a street name is given. What the street name is given? Adil. So street name is Adil. Now here below the what we have to do? We have to write in this blank the sentences what we see in the picture. So what is the first one? First one is dash library. So what was the name of the library? Townsend Library. Then what is the next question? What is the name of the street? So the name of the street was Adil. And what was the third sentence? Dash the duck. So we have to write here the duck name. So over here what the question is? Let's practice. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun in the sentences below. The first one has been done for you. Over here what we have to do? We have to underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. We had done lots of exercise what are common noun and proper noun, right? So now we will look at this sentences. What are they? The first one is already done for us. First one is already done for us. This guitar has 9 strings. It belongs to Mr. Mendes. So guitar is a common noun and Mr. Mendes is a proper noun. Next sentence. I know Pubali. She is a nice girl. Pubali is the name of a girl. So we will circle on Pubali and girl will underline. So Pubali is a proper noun and girl is a common noun. Next sentence. My pet birds are singing. Their names are Chirpy and Burpy. Now birds which are fly in the sky, all the birds fly in the sky. So birds is a common noun. And Chirpy and Burpy, they are birds names are given. So Chirpy is a proper noun and Burpy is also a proper noun. Now next sentence. This cake is very good. My aunt bought it from the cake house. Cake is a common noun. Why we have put cake common noun? Because plum cake, walnut cake, then birthday cake, chocolate cake, all are cakes only, but it is bought from which house? Specific shop name it is given. So it is bought from a cake house. So the circle on a cake house. Raj is watering the plants. Raj is a name of a boy. So it is a proper noun and plant is a common noun. We'll go to the next page. We are waiting for Manoj. He is our friend. So we are waiting for Manoj. So Manoj we have to circle because it is a proper noun and friend is a common noun. So friend will underline and Manoj will circle. Rita, have you met my cousin Tom? Rita is a name. So Rita is a proper noun and Tom is also a proper noun and cousin is a common noun. So understood children what is common noun and what is proper noun? Now we'll do the another exercise. Rewrite the following sentences capitalizing the proper noun. Now we have to capitalize the proper noun. Means these sentences are given over here. Proper nouns are also given. But we have to give that word a proper noun A in a capital form. Now with what it is. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? It's in Agra. So over here you can see T. T is A in a small letter while Taj Mahal is a proper noun. So in what correction we will do? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? So we have done over here T capital and M capital over here. So Taj Mahal is correction we have done. So what will be the correct answer? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? It's in Agra. Understood children? T and M. Over here T for Taj and M for Mahal. So T is in small, so we made it capital, and M is also small, so we wrote in capital. So the word became Taj Mahal. Now next sentence. There is a lake beside my house. There is a lake beside my house. The name of the lake is Lily Lake. Now over here what we are going to do, here in the first sentence till full stop there is no proper noun, it is a common sentence only, so there is no correction. So we will write same to same, there is a lake beside my house. Now next sentence is what, the name of the lake is Lily. Now the lake name is given, so what we will do, L we will make it capital. What we will do, we will make L capital. What we will do, we will make L capital. So it is become Lily, Lily, Lake, lake. So the name of the lake is what, Lily. So L, it is written in small letter over here, we made it in capital. L is written small over here and we made it capital. L is written small over here, we made it capital over here. Okay, now we'll read the next sentence. My pet dog Bruno loves to play with birds. Now over here what is the sentence, the dog is there, my pet dog Bruno. Now dog is a common noun only, but the name over here is given Bruno in small letters, so we have to write B capital. So I've written B over here capital, you can see. So Bruno ka B, have made it capital, so it is a pronoun and loves to play with birds, so it is a common sentence only. Now we'll go to the another sentence. I have two sisters, Amina and Sabina. I have two sisters. So now I've written I have two sisters over here. Their name is Amina and Sabina. So A I have written capital because it is a proper noun. So A I have made it capital of Amina, and Sabina ka S I have made it capital because S is name. Sabina is a name. So S also will be capital. So Amina and Sabina, we have done the correction over here. Amina and Sabina. We'll go to the next sentence. Everyone loves Gurpreet because he is very well mannered. So over here what is the correction? Over here correction is Gurpreet. What is the correction? Gurpreet. You can see pronoun name is there of a person. So G is written in small. We have to make it capital G. So everyone loves Gurpreet because he is very well mannered. He is very well mannered. Here the name of the child is given Gurpreet only, but what happens over here, G is small in the sentence and we did the correction and made it G capital. So Gurpreet because he is very well mannered. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now exercise number 3. In some of the sentences below, capital letters have been used wrongly. Put a tick against the correct sentences, put a cross against the incorrect sentences, and rewrite them using capital letters correctly. Now over here what is it? Over here sentences are given, but we have to mark it, read it properly, which is correct and which is wrong. So we'll start with the first sentence. First sentence was, my cousin Ritu and Deepak will come to visit me. Now this sentence is totally wrong. What it is? It is totally wrong. Now why it is wrong, that I'll tell you. Over here you can see C. Here is what? C. It is a common noun. Cousins will call your uncle, auntie, your their children cousins only. So why to write C in capital? It is a common. So C will come small. Now over here R. Ritu R is small. Here Ritu R is small. So we have to make it capital because it is a name. So R will be capital. And Deepak will come to visit me. Over here D ka Deepak is what? Small. So we have to make it D capital. What we have to do? We have to make it D capital over here. So see the correction. My cousin Ritu and Deepak will come to visit me. So what I have done, R and D I have made it capital. So it is a pronoun. So Ritu and Deepak are capital, and over here C I have made it small because it is a common noun. Now we'll go to the next sentence. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now what is wrong in this sentence? This sentence is also wrong. Why? Because again over here C is capital. What is capital over here? C, which is wrong. Capital is a common noun. So what we'll do? New Delhi is the capital of India. So C I have written over here small. So this sentence is now correct over here. And the sentence in the box we have to put a cross because it is a wrong sentence and we have done the correction. Now we'll go to the next page. The next page is what? The President of India lives in New Delhi. Yes, this is fully correct. Now we'll go to the next sentence. I have a pet dog called Scamper. Now over here, what is the correction? Dog. Dog is a common noun. Why we have to write in capital? Only pronouns which have particular exact name is should be capital, like Scamper over here we can see. So what correction we have done? I have a pet dog called Scamper. I have written D over here small. So it will become DOG dog and Scamper same to same. So I have put a cross over here. Now next sentence. Mr. and Mrs. Iyer are traveling to Chennai. Again this sentence is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because over here I is small and C is small. So see the correction over here. Mr. and Mrs. Iyer are traveling to Chennai. What I have done here, I have done I capital, I have done C capital. So the correction is made of the sentence. I hope children you have followed this exercise. Thank you.